A white hole. In general relativity, a white hole is a hypothetical region of space-time and singularity that cannot be entered from the outside, although energy, matter, light, and information can escape from it. In this sense, it is the reverse of a black hole, from which energy, matter, light, information cannot escape. White hole appears in the theory of eternal black holes. In addition to a black hole region in the future, such a solution of the Einstein field equations has a white hole region in its past. This region does not exist for black holes that have formed through gravitational collapse. However, nor are there any observed physical processes through which a white hole could be formed. Supermassive black holes (SBHs) are theoretically predicted to be at the center of every galaxy, and the possibly a galaxy cannot form without one. Stephen Hawking and others have proposed that these supermassive black holes spawn a supermassive white holes. Like black holes, white holes have properties such as mass, charge, angular momentum, angular momentum. They attract matter like another Ana- uh, they attract matter like other mass, but objects falling towards a white hole would never actually reach the white hole event event horizon. Though in the case of maximally extent Schwarzschild solution discussed below, the white hole event horizon in the past becomes a black hole event horizon in the future. So any object falling towards it will eventually reach the black hole horizon. Imagine a gravitational field without a surface. Acceleration due to gravity is the greatest on the surface of any body, but since black holes lack a surface, acceleration due to gravity increases exponentially. Imagine a gravitational field without surface. Acceleration due to gravity is the greatest on the surface of any body, but since black holes lack a surface, acceleration due to gravity increases exponentially but never reach a final value, as there is no considered a surface singularity. In quantum mechanics, the black hole emits Hawking radiations, so it comes thermal equilibrium with a gas of radiation. Because thermal equilibrium state is time reversal invariant, Stephen Hawking argued that the time reversal of black hole in thermal equilibrium results in a white hole in thermal equilibrium. Consequently, currently this may imply that black holes and white holes are reciprocal in structures, wherein the Hawking radiation from ordinary black hole is identified with a white hole emission of energy matter. Hawking's semi-classical argument is reproduced in quantum mechanical ADS-CFT treatment, where a black hole is anti-de Sitter space is described by a thermal gas in a gauge theory whose time reversal is the same as itself. So friends, this is very small discussions. Now we just know what is white hole, and we know overview of the white hole. Okay, and another factors is origin. Origin we will discuss more in after in my we will discuss more about white hole in my next videos, astronomical videos. In my next astronomical videos we will go details and more details. So friends, now I will stop my videos, and thanks for watching. You can understand my lectures, and overall this is my a model I created, and I hope that you enjoy with my model. I believe that you can understand this model. This is white hole model. Thanks for watching.